Hey folks, I hope you guys are doing good in your life. Today I have bring the podcast with Mr. Shashir Kumar Panda. He is in stock market from 2009. I jumped into the stock market last year in 2020, and many of my friends jumped into the stock market. And literally, we were not knowing anything. So after talking to him, after knowing his experience, I genuinely felt that if I would have talked to him a year ago or 6 months ago, so I would be somewhere 1 year or 2 years ahead in my stock market career. So for you, I have bring it because today, at this point of time in 2021, the stock market looks a fascinating career. It looks an opportunity to make money easily, but a lot of things are there to know about stock market, and then it become possible to make money from it. So I have divided this podcast into two parts. The reason behind it is that uh, this podcast contains a lot of important things about the stock market. Since you are investing your money in a stock market, so it becomes very important to listen and to take care of each and every point, because after all, it's earning or losing money in a stock market. Either you will earn, either you will lose. So I don't want you to miss any point. That's why I have divided into two parts, so that on one day you could finish one part without getting distracted on other things, and on the another day you get the second part, so that you could make some notes, could keep it in mind, and could implement further in the stock market whenever you enter, or if already entered, can use it. Hey, I'm Saurabh Keshav, brings you to one of the most unscripted stories of entrepreneurs and their journeys. So, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today, we have a special guest on our podcast. His name is Shashir Kumar Panda. He's from Odisha and he is doing trading since 2009. So he has a long experience in the field of stock market, as well as he is working in different companies and has been promoted a lot through his work and experience. So today we will share his journey. Hi Shashir, how are you?
Hi, good morning. I'm fine.
Okay, so my first question is, how are you introduced to stock market? और जब भी हम लोग जब भी स्टॉक मार्केट की बात करते हैं तो देयर इज सम नेगेटिविटी दैट इट इज अ जुआ और आपके सारे पैसे डूब जाएंगे. So I think same thing might be happened with you when you started jumping your foot into stock market. So how it happened? Can you elaborate in a brief?
Uh, yeah, I have just started into. I put my first step into stock market when at the time when I was pursuing my diploma at CPET.
Okay.
At that time, one day when I came to home from college, I found an envelope on my table.
Okay.
Of my father. I asked him about it. So what I got to know that someone from stock market RM type of thing, a
Okay.
marketing guy, have opened a demat account of my father. And
Okay.
just and my father have kept an amount of rupees 5,000 at that time.
Okay.
And I had some excitement about it previously. So I asked him what to do with it. My
Yeah.
father told that we started searching over it.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
carry on. Then
Okay.
after I started my research and I started trading at that time.
Okay. At
I
the age
was
of
very
10.
much yeah, I was very much excited about it. So through that much excitation,
Okay.
I had to lose an amount of 3,500 from that 5,000. And
Okay.
what much balance remained? It is 1,500 only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
At that time, I had no courage to not that much courage that I could say my dad that I have lost this much amount.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then after I started मैंने genuinely मैंने उसके ऊपर कुछ रिसर्च किया
Yeah.
और वो अमाउंट को रिकवर करने के लिए मेरे को अराउंड 13-14 महीना लग गया.
Oh my God. Yeah. So you recovered that amount.
Yeah, I recovered that amount.
Okay, okay,
At that time market also मेरे को थोड़ा सपोर्ट किया,
okay, okay, okay,
उसी फ्लो में मेरा रिकवर हो गया. इसका
okay,
मतलब
okay.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हो जाएगा सबका.
यस यस यस. सो उस टाइम पे भी आपने ये सुना होगा कि लोग कहते हैं कि यार स्टॉक मार्केट एक जुआ है.
लोग
यस.
कहते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट की जुआ है.
या
मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि मार्केट जुआ है किन लोगों के लिए जो आते हैं. स्टॉक मार्केट इज अ थिंग लाइक it but people are thinking that stock market is a process of getting earn some easy money,
ओके फाइन.
which is just out of reality of what they are thinking. Okay. Let's say what we can assume that if some amount in bank as a savings account, then we will be getting in today's time annual return is 2.90%.
या
In FD if we are keeping, then we will be getting around maximum up to 4.90 annually.
या
And same thing in RD. If keeping in insurance, then it might go around 6 to 7%, not that much. Then how can someone expect a return of amount of 10 to 15% from stock market?
या करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट.
There is
Yeah,
something soul in
people
it.
come with high expectation that they will double their amount or do like this and this will get quick rich. So it doesn't happen in stock
Right.
market. Yeah.
Yeah, in normal business, when we're in traditional business, like if we're doing some grocery shop or some other thing, we are giving our whole time, whole effort, and also including everything. We are getting an return of around 10 to 15%
Yeah. Sure.
with an investment of 5 to 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
If
That
10 to
happens.
15%, then we can get around 50 to 60,000 per month.
Yeah. It happens like that.
Then how can we expect that if I am investing 2 lakhs in stock market, then I will be getting a amount of 20,000 per month, a minimum.
Yeah.
That's
It's
the
not.
main reason where we are getting, we people are getting lacking, and we are failing to get the amount, and our whole investment comes to a risk.
Yeah. That happens. Correct. So this is all about the stock market. How about your experiences in life that you have worked as a quality control manager in Emphasis? So these type of experiences till today, can you describe?
I have started my first income. My income career started from. I have started my income at the age of 14, 15 around.
Okay.
As a like a SAR and a daily collection agent.
Okay.
Okay. I started then after it was for very few time, like 4 5 months. Then after I entered into this market, like just started research what is the thing, how it works. Then after I after some days when I completed my diploma, then what I did, I had taken a franchisee from Arcadia Stock Markets, Stock Broking Limited.
Okay.
It's a broking firm.
Okay.
Then after few days, I have joined as a relationship manager at Emco Netcom India Limited.
Okay. Great.
As a marketing manager.
Okay.
I used to open account, do tradings, and back office support and all these things.
Okay. So you are working from a very small age, huh?
Yeah, from very small age. I have started earning around 15, 16.
Okay.
After the age of 18, I came into professional field. Like I have joined at Arcadia as a franchisee owner.
Okay.
Then I have joined at Emco Netcom India Limited as a marketing manager.
Okay.
Like this thing.
So.
Then I got some recession period came.
Yeah.
With due course of time, I also failed in market.
Yeah.
I was not that much experienced at that time. The time when Vijay Mallya issue was happened.
Yeah.
That time a huge crisis has happened to me.
Okay.
I was out of stock market for around 4 5 months or 6 months.
Okay. So you invested in companies associated with Vijay Mallya.
Not associated with Vijay Mallya, but listen, Vijay Mallya, if he had taken some around 9,000 crores,
Yeah.
exact, not getting the exact figure, that
Yeah.
number.
Okay.
Around that huge amount is a loss to the country.
Yeah. Correct. It
If
will.
something is a loss to the country, then it will affect the whole economy system.
Yeah. Sure. It happens
That
with the
thing,
stock market. Na? It reacts with everything.
yeah, it affected everything.
Yeah.
At that time, silver fell from 74,000 to 35,000.
Okay. So I think the audience which will be watching this will not knowing about the different segments of stock market, like you said about silver. So I want that. Please, can you please tell that how the stock market works and what are the different segments in which you can trade in the stock market?
Listen, before coming to stock market, if someone is willing to work in a stock market, then he must get a complete fundamental knowledge about the market.
Yeah.
And one thing I used to suggest each and everyone before
Hmm.
coming to, if someone coming to me for a investment in stock market,
Hmm.
then I would like to first advise him uh, whether he is having some other deposits or not, like
Yeah.
savings plan or other investments.
Yeah.
Stock market comes investing in stock market comes to the least priority thing.
Hmm.
But most of the people what they are thinking that it is the most priority thing. I will invest over here and will get some huge amount of money. Unlike
Yeah.
there are most many other things which comes into most priority things, like when someone is coming having, if someone is having some money,
Yeah.
then he should have plan for a pension plan first,
Hmm.
which will help him in future days. Then
Yeah.
if some more money is left, then he should go for a endowment plan,
Okay.
which he could get some lump sum of money after a short period of time.
Yeah.
After that, we can, if someone is having some more money, then he could go for a pension plan, or
Yeah.
sorry, fixed deposit or RD.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
after if he is having some money, then he can invest in mutual fund,
Yeah.
which is more safer for him, because he can, there are some panelists are there, some experienced researchers are there who
Yeah.
can guide him, who can work for them.
Okay. So.
Then
Hmm.
after, if you are having some extra money, then you can put in stock market.
Okay.
What I am
So.
saying,
Hmm.
if some, let's say I am having some money for my sister's marriage,
Yeah.
let's say
Yeah.
around 5-10 lakhs, a middle class person is uh, have kept around 10 lakhs for
Yeah.
his sister's marriage, and he
Hmm.
bring to market to invest. He are thinking of investing some days, and he will get that. If that time some decision fails, that
Hmm.
10 lakhs will come to 5-6
And.
lakhs. What shall I do? Got
Hmm.
my point. If you
Yeah.
are having any doll amount, yeah, unused money, which is not going to come in your use in future days, then you can
Yeah.
invest.
Yeah. Before, you want to say, like, before coming to the market, we should see the other side of it, that if it fails.
Exactly.
Yeah. Na?
Exactly.
Okay. So do you believe in intraday or like investing for a long time?
Uh, Listen, trading in intraday or investment for a long time is that what I feel personally.
Hmm.
I am a positional trader. I had never done intraday.
Okay.
If I had taken some position today and
Hmm.
it gave me profit in the same day, I used to square up,
Okay.
back my profit. But
Okay.
I used to keep the stocks, yeah, keep the position till I have got my profit.
Okay. So, like, what do you want to say about the people who are looking for some intraday type things?
Listen, if someone is before entering market, I would like to suggest everyone should know the fundamentals, know, go through the researches and proper knowledge चाहिए. जो
Yeah.
जो मतलब खाली, let's see, to become a doctor, someone have to study for after 12th. He have to
Yeah.
study for a 7 years.
Yeah.
For an engineer, he need to study for a 4 to 7 years.
Yeah. Correct.
To be a professional lecturer or professor, they have to study for a 5-7 years
Yeah.
in the particular field. How
Yeah.
come someone think that he will be working in a trading field without any knowledge?
Correct.
It is the only reason of our failure.
Yeah.
Like
People.
someone is working in some other field, like someone is an engineer or someone is a doctor. Maybe
Mhm.
they're expertise in their field.
Yeah.
I have no issues. But the
Mhm.
thing is, when you are entering into a market, why you are not having some research out of it,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
That's the
That's the
only thing.
point. That's the point, that people just want to enter into the market and want the market should support them. That
Hmm.
market should be in their favor and they should earn some money. And I've seen that. I myself have. I've myself started learning trading. So where I have seen, like, I have also made money. I have also made money. Like in intraday, I made my highest profit around 60K in a day. But in a week, I
I
lost
had
more
never.
than that. I lost more than that.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not a quick rich scheme that what people think, and they just jump into the market investing their whole money and just brings their trading account to zero.
Hmm. It is the only reason. So,
Yeah.
what I think before entering road, हर किस चीज का है भाई? किस चीज का हरी है? टाइम लीजिए, पढ़ाई कीजिए, मार्केट क्या
Yeah.
है उसको जानिए.
Yeah.
There are lot of literatures, lot of lessons are there in the internet around there.
Yeah. That's correct. So what was your biggest loss and biggest profit in the stock market?